Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time. So today I'm going to show you how I do my everyday makeup. I use a lot of drugstore makeup. I've been using it forever, and yeah, so this is the end result. So let's get started. I usually rotate between 3 different BB creams or 3 different things every day. I always pick something else. I don't know. I used to always use the Bare Minerals Pure Brightening Serum Foundation in Bare Natural 7, but it's discontinued or it's going discontinued. I don't know. I think like I'm the only one that likes this product, so I switched to the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue in Vanilla, which is this one. And I also use a lot of the Garnier BB Cream. This is in light medium. Okay. I don't see a big difference between the Garnier BB Cream, which is drugstore, between the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue on my skin, like in terms of the color. Of course, the quality, probably this one is a lot better, but yeah, I like BB creams and I don't like to put heavy foundation on my face. And after that, I just have the Fit Me Concealer. The Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, this one. This one is in Fair. So I just kind of put some here, some here, I don't know. And I take my beauty blender and I just, sorry, sometimes I make really weird faces when I put my makeup on. I'm trying not to. And I kind of look for places where I have old scars or maybe acne. Sometimes I think I have like something here. I've been using this for like forever. Yeah, so just kind of blend it in. Yeah, just like this. And after that, I also use my Bare Minerals concealer. This is in Summer Bisque, this one. I really like Bare Minerals products. I think it's just the first makeup I've used, so I kind of stuck with them, and also I think they're good, so I put a little bit of their concealer. And then yeah, I just look for like places where I could like cover scars. I don't know. So after I put the concealer on, I go in with my Bare Minerals Mineral Veil. This one, this is just the original one with 25 SPF. So I'm not really sure if you put the Mineral Veil before bronzer or after, but I just sometimes do that. Sometimes I put it after, I don't know. But I really like it because it makes my face look like less shinier. And it has no talc, so I just like put it on a little here, like that. After that, I use the NARS bronzer. This one, this is in Laguna. On bronzers, I like when they're shiny because I always, when I tried the Benefit Hoola bronzer, it's too matte for me. So just put a little bit like this. I know it's kind of weird, but I kind of put it all over my face. I like to look really bronze. Yeah, so I go just put some more, like that a little. I love bronzer. Yeah, after the bronzer, what do? Oh yeah. Okay, I got this Natasha Denona Duo Glow. I got it a couple months ago and I really love it. Look at how pretty the color is. I don't know if you could see. This is like Blush, highlight. Oh, I forgot to put my highlighter on. Okay, so sorry. I'm putting the Benefit What's Up highlighter. It's just what I had at home, so, and it kind of like lasts me forever, so I don't know. Okay. Yeah, so I put my highlighter on. After that, I put my Natasha Denona blush highlighter, this one. And I really like how it looks like. This is like a Barbie pink, and it really adds a lot of light to my face. So yeah, so it's like a blush and then highlighter. I don't know exactly, but it looks really sparkly. I kind of put a lot, but it comes off really fast. So yeah, and just a little bit of bronzer kind of to take the color down. But in about like 20 minutes is gonna kind of like the color is gonna be less pink. I know it's kind of weird that I do my eyebrows after I put my makeup on, but I'm just used to doing that. And I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo in Top. So this is a powder, and I also use her brush. So this is really good for somebody who is really bad at doing painting their eyebrows, because it's a powder. So it's exactly for people like me that don't know how to do their eyebrows. And I go in with the lighter. See, it's like 2 shades. I go in with the lighter one. Sorry, also I didn't get my brows done. Okay, so yeah, the lighter one. And then towards the end, I take the darker one. I don't really do my brows because I kind of like them thick, and when they grow you can't really see it. Maybe you could see like a little hairs or something. The only person I trust doing my eyebrows is my grandmother, and she lives really far away, so I only do it when I see her. And yeah, so hi Grandma, thank you for doing my brows. So let's just brush it a little. My grandma is so cute. She says she watches my videos every night before she goes to sleep, so thank you. After that, I usually don't use this, but once in a while, it's just an eyebrow gel. This is NYX. It doesn't matter which company. It's kind of a clear eyebrow gel. It only costs like $5, but just to put my brows in place. I'm usually too lazy to do this. And also mascara, I usually never wear. Well, I do sometimes, but I'll just put it on now for the sake of the video. I just hate taking it off every night. It's so annoying. I don't like to like rub my eyes. But if I do wear mascara, I use the Maybelline Lash Sensational. This one, can you see it? This one is in brownish black. I think it looks better on me in a kind of brownish color. In general, on blondes, I think brownish black looks a little bit better. Sorry for the, my camera just turned off. I don't know, maybe there's a ghost here, but yeah, so I don't know where it was, but yeah, so I already did this eye. So I put a little mascara, like this. And I also make sure not to buy the waterproof mascara, because then it's even harder for me to take it off. Just with my fingers, kind of. Got my mascara, and the last thing I do is put a little bit of lipstick. This one is the Sephora Lipstick. This one, it's in, I don't know the name, but the number is N49. I don't know if it's the best lipstick, but I really, really like this color, so it's good for me. And I hope they won't discontinue this, because lots of my products, stuff I like, just get discontinued. But so I'm hoping to find a color similar to this in case it goes discontinued. So yeah. This is like a nude pink kind of color. It doesn't last long, but I really, really like the color. So yeah, this is what I do every day. And let me just take my hair down. Okay, so this is how I do my makeup every single day. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up.